All right, class, settle in. Welcome to today's explainer. We're reviewing America's most unusual state, Florida.
Here's our syllabus. We'll be rapidly reviewing its geography, history, ecosystems, and massive economy for your exam.
First, geography. Think of a peninsula, like a giant diving board sticking out into the ocean.
Bordering Georgia and Alabama, it covers nearly 170,000 square kilometers. Pretty huge, right? And with over 23 million residents, it's actually one of America's most crowded states today.
Memorize these for the test. Tallahassee's the capital, Jacksonville's the biggest, and Miami is your international gateway.
Surrounding all that, 2,000 kilometers of coastline. Here, water literally dictates absolutely everything.
History time. Native tribes thrived first, then Spanish explorers arrived, eventually leading right up to U.S. statehood.
Let's talk ecosystems. The Everglades, or the River of Grass, is a totally unique subtropical wetland. This habitat supports crazy amounts of wildlife. We're talking over 1 million alligators living natively here. To protect them, strict, sustainable conservation practices actually safeguard species like manatees, panthers, and sea turtles.
But that diving board geography brings huge risks. Warm ocean waters fuel powerful, destructive coastal hurricanes. For the economics portion, memorize these pillars. Tourism, aerospace, trade, agriculture, and finance power the state. Tourism is an absolute giant. Millions visit every single year just for beaches, resorts, and theme parks. But it's not just beaches. It's our literal gateway to space. Rockets launch straight from Kennedy Space Center. Your biggest takeaway? The Florida paradox. It's that constant, tricky balance between rapid coastal development and nature.
Because rising seas threaten coastlines, huge environmental conservation efforts now actively protect those fragile coastal ecosystems.
So, here's your final essay prompt, class. If you had to choose one thing defining Florida, what is it?